Okay students, we'll start with part 3. Now the question, activity 7, page number 41. Think and answer in your own words. Now students, this you have to do it on your own. Like I'll give you all the first answer. So the rest of it you have to do it. How should you deal with difficulties and problems? So you can write, to deal with difficulties and problem, I should take courage, I should be motivated, I should not lose hope, I should always have the courage to face difficulties and problems. Yes, and I will face them bravely. Like that you can answer question number B, C, D and E. Okay, do it. Now, activity 8A. Pick out from the lesson 10 examples of each concrete noun. Now this I will give you all. For example, sand. First one you can write rocks. ROCKS. Pavement. PAVEMENT. Third, caterpillar. Check the spellings in the textbook. Fourth, hibiscus flower. Fifth, pearl. Sixth, fly. Water. Seventh, water. Eighth, ant. Ninth, spider. 10th, butterfly. Now abstract nouns. Abstract means the nouns that you cannot touch, you cannot feel, you only know it. For example, infinity. Now I will give you all the rest. Passion, first one passion, PASSION. Second one ego. Third, honesty. Fourth, majesty. Fifth, well-being. Sixth, splendor. Seventh, awe, AWE. Eighth, eternity. Ninth, alchemy. And 10th, you can write brightness. Okay, brightness. Now, activity 8. Underline the verbs in the sentences below and say whether they are transitive, needing an object. Now, in the sentence where there is an object, a subject and an object, means it is transitive. Where only one thing is mentioned, only subject is there, it will be intransitive. Now I will give you all this. Okay, the first one can witness and experience the beauty of heaven. So it is transitive, means one also is there and you are having the object beauty of heaven. Next one, it leaves me in complete awe. So it and me, two things are there, so it is again transitive. Third one, nature soothes and nurtures. Now only nature is mentioned, so it will be intransitive. Fourth one, it withers completely. Again intransitive. The flower comes to life only for a day. Transitive. The flower and day. A rainbow colors the entire sky. Transitive. Why? Rainbow and sky. It smiles and dances. So it will be intransitive because only it is mentioned. Yes. Now ninth one, we will be doing it in our compo books later on. Now here, the ninth B. Prepare a fact file for any of the following plants or trees or anything. Now either it will be coconut tree, neem tree, basil. Basil means tulsi, cactus or apple tree. So we will do it. This don't write it in your notebook. Let it be in the textbook. But the above one's activities in the notebook. Name of a plant or tree. So suppose we'll write coconut palm. PALM. Scientific name. Yes, what will be the scientific name for a coconut tree? Yes, Cocos, COCOS, Nucifera, NUCIFERA, COCOS, Staphylococcus nucifera, Nucifera. Region and climate, tropical region, warm rainy, hot humid rainy summers. Yes, tropical region, warm rainy winters and hot humid rainy summers. Features, now features over 150 meters high. Yes, or you can tell yes, then develops flowers, fruits grow in clusters. Okay, so develop flowers about 150 meters tall, then develop flowers, fruits grow in clusters. Growth up to 30 meters tall. Size and shape of leaf, yes, long compound leaves, means only one base and in that many leaves be. Long compound leaves. Roots, uses, yes, uses are many, made used to, the fruit is used to eat, make coconut oil, yes, for cooking, then also used as food. Wood is used to make timber, then ropes and doormats, and so many things you can write. Any special feature, it lives for a long time. Special feature, it lives for a long time. Now, activity 10. Now that there is no need to write it. Going to activity 11. You have an Environment Protection Week celebration in your school. You have invited an environmentalist. Your friend interviews him or her about how to save the environment. Frame 10 suitable interview questions. Now students, you can just go through this. See, I have written it on the board. Yes. Now, when you have to write, your first introduction will be like, welcome to our school. We are happy to have you with us on this Environment Week. You can copy this down, and then the questions. And most of the questions, students, should be in WH form. Yes, WH, how also can be written? Yes, WH, I will give you all. Like, first question, please write. What made you give up your career as engineer and become an environmentalist? Second question, what are the reasons for degradation of environment in recent years? Third question, why is environment conservation necessary? Why is environment conservation, CONSERVATION, conservation necessary? Fourth one, what are the requirements, immediate requirements for the day? How can school children be taught to save the environment? How can school children be taught to save the environment? Why is pollution very harmful for the environment? How can we change the lifestyle of people to save the environment? How can we change the lifestyle of the people to save the environment? What are the other programs that can be kept to conserve environment? What is your message to the youth? Okay, students. So write this in your book. Yes. Bye. Next time we'll continue.